Hello friends, today I am going to give set number 8 on railway establishment rules. Railway establishment rule, as I told you earlier, are normally asked in almost all type of railway departmental exam question. So I giving some objective questions from railway establishment rules, which is important for examination point of view. And this is set number 8. Why I am giving the number set number 1 2, so that you can go for practice. First day you can see set number 1, then set 2, then set 3, likewise you can go thoroughly. So today question number 1 is TA for medically decategorized staff it admissible on as per normal rate. As per normal rate. Who is the competent authority to declare any employee as medically decategorized? Who is competent authority? Whether GM, DRM, ACM? No. The answer is medical board. Medical board is the competent authority to declare any employees as medically decategorized. Redeployment of medically decategorized staff can be made against. Redeployment means again he has to engage in some job. So how it will make against which kind of vacancy? Either it is leave vacancy, tenure post, regular cadre vacancy, or none of these. So here answer will be regular cadre vacancy. Redeployment of medically decategorized staff can be made against regular cadre vacancy. Supernumerary post created for. Supernumerary post created for what? Supernumerary post created for option A 5 years, option B 10 years, option C till regular absorption, and option D none of these. So here answer will be C. Option number C, that is till regular absorption. Supernumerary post created for till regular absorption. What is the full form of IRMM? What is the full form of IRMM? The IRMM means Indian Railway Medical Manual. Indian Railway Medical Manual. Sedentary job means what? Suppose any running staff got injured and doctor is asking to not go for hard job but go for a light job. In such case, sitting with. Next question. Medically decategorized railway employees should be observed in which department first? Medically decategorized railway employees should be observed in the same department first. First they will consider as same department. If there is no vacancy, then only they will consider for the other department. Who is the competent authority to approve the recommended post of screening committee? Who is the competent authority to approve the recommended post of screening committee? That is DRM. Divisional Railway Manager is the competent authority. Which category of pass or PTO facility is admissible to Group A and Group B railway employees? Group A, Group B means officers. So which category of pass or PTO they are admissible? That is first class A pass. First class A pass. Both Group A and Group B employees. Interest rate on HBA with effect from 1st October 2090 is. Here HBA means house building allowance. So what the interest railway is taking, that is 7.9%. 7.90%. It may be changed in future. Currently it is 7.9%. upper age limit on the date of notification for the post of instructor is. Upper age limit on the date of notification for the post of instructor is 52 years. Up to 52 years we will select it as an instructor. So the upper age limit is 52 years. Maximum tenure for the post of instructor is 8 years. So friend, normally we are getting superannuation at the age of 60 years. 52 plus 8, 60 years. That's why they are giving maximum age limit is 52 years, so that he can work up to 8 years. I think so. Just you can go through for the clue also. Financial implications for creation of post in 7th CPC is calculated based on pay in cell 1 and cell 10 divided by 2 plus DA. Pay in cell 1 and cell 10 divided by 2 plus DA. A par of employees in level 1 was introduced from which year? That is 2018-19. A par for employees in level 1 was introduced in 2018-19. Direct quota in the cadre of signal maintainer 2 is. How much percentage of direct quota in the signal cadre of signal maintainer 2 is nil. They are coming as a signal maintainer 1, then only it will come. So there is no direct quota for signal maintainer 2. Direct quota in the cadre of signal maintainer 1 is 15%. 15%. Informal meeting of SC/ST association with GM is held. Here it is asking that how many times in a year. So informal meeting of SC/ST association with GM is held twice in a year. Normally twice in a year. Instructions related to a special leave connected to inquiry of sexual harassment are contained in Indian Railway Establishment Code, Volume 1, Para. So what is a para? Very important question, friend. Instruction related to a special leave connected to inquiry of sexual harassment are contained in IREC Volume 1, Para number 551F. 551F. Next question. The officer designated by the public authorities in all administrative units or offices under it to provide information to the citizens requesting for information under the RTI is known as, that is PIO. The answer is PIO, Public Information Officer. So administrative units creating a post PIO. What is the time limit to get the information under the RTI Act 2005? What is the time limit to get the information under the RTI Act 2005 is 30 days. Up to 30 days information he should take, or RTI according to the RTI Act 2005. But if it is concerning the life and liberty of a person, then, so question is here, what is the time limit to get the information concerning the life and liberty of a person through RTI Act 2005? That is 48 hours. 48 hours time limit is given. Next question. If the interest of a third party are involved in information sought for, then maximum time limit to get the information will be, according to RTI Act 2005. In such case, the maximum time limit will be 40 days. 40 days. So normally 30 days, in such case 40 days. Judgment debtor means any person against whom a decree has been passed. Judgment debtor means any person against whom a decree has been passed. Railway employees governed by the National Pension System, those appointed on and after. So friends, here please note, NPS is not a new pension system, but it's a national pension system. So NPS is for 1/1/2004 and after. Those employee joined either 1/1/2004 or after, they are coming under NPS. Thanks for watching my video, friends. Kindly give your comments, and also I want to know that how many our viewers want to see these videos in Hindi. If the number will be more, I will create video in Hindi also. So kindly you give your comments. As max as the comment will come, accordingly I will think and upload the Hindi videos. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Kindly give your comment, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also